everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm, and today we're going to plant or sow some seeds of one of my favorite flowers, the poppy. I always love going to San Francisco and seeing all the little poppies. They're everywhere. I mean, poppies, who doesn't love them? So there's a myth that you cannot start a poppy in a little container. You have to direct sow them outside because they have a taproot. Well, that's not true. We grow passion fruit and we move it around even. Do we lose some? Yeah. But when they're small like this, as long as you dig deep, you're not going to hurt that taproot. You're not even going to get near it. So I start mine as I'm showing here, and then I'm going to show you how I did it, in these little peat pellets. That way I don't have to dig them. And these are actually going to go into containers. That's another myth. You have to put a poppy in the ground. Well, no, they're great for containers. Actually, a lot of them will come back even though they say annuals, because it's all about the climate for them. So I have 5 varieties, and I did put a lavender here and it didn't come up. So we're doing the California poppy, the Oriental poppy, the American Legion poppy. These are the ones everybody thinks of, the big red ones. And the orange California poppy, and I can see Shirley poppy. So what I did is I'm using some of my old peat pellets from Jiffy, although now, especially with the peat issue, they came up with the new quick start planting tablets. I'm not going to open these yet, but these feed them. And that's another thing. A new plant does not need to be fed, but this feeds them for 30 days. So maybe 15 days later, they'll start getting real leaves, true leaves. Then you could feed them. So with this, and usually my grandson loves doing this, but he's got school. So make sure you put these in, direct up like this. Let me get. Then I take boiling water and I just really soak them in because these expand. And why hot water? 1, they expand a little better, but 2, it really helps with the germination rate. Look at them just expand. It's really cool. That's why my grandson loves it when he's not in school to do this. The warmth of these, it really holds the warmth. It helps with the germination. All right, let me show you the seeds. The seeds are really tiny balls and they need light to germinate. So basically, all I'm doing is going to push them in, and I'm not going to cover these. And since my lavender didn't come up, I'm just going to put the same California poppy, since it's one of my favorites, in both of these. And that's it. Let me finish this up and I'll show you the end result. Okay, I want to show you, I didn't realize this one does say container variety, but they're all container varieties. Oh, here you go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take selective house plants that are going to go out when it gets a little warmer, and I'm just going to drop these in. And that's it. So if I wanted to put them in the garden, I could also put them in the garden, but this is kind of early. Again, I like to do these ahead of time so you could see them for your garden. But plant your poppies. They're wonderful. They're beautiful. A lot are perennials. This is Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. Have a great day, and please subscribe, like, and share. Bye.